How to make VMware Workstation use multiple windows for VMS instead of tab display. I'd like to display virtual machines, VMware Workstation on Windows 7 host, as their own windows instead of as tabs in the VMware Workstation menu, similar to how VMS are handled with VMware Workstation on the Mac. This question is similar to this one, but I do not want to run the VMS in Unity mode.
Just drag the tab out of the VMware window and take it to the other monitor. If that's what you mean, it will create a new solitary window with the other running OS in it. Have done that on Ubuntu, and it should work the same for Windows 7. Note, the dragging action only works if the VMware window is not in full screen mode. Execute another window from VMware main menu, File and GT. New window. A link to VMware community discussion on the same issue.
I figured out a way where every VM shortcut starts in a new window. Create a new shortcut to your vmware.exe and modify the target line under Shortcut Properties. Append N, which tells VMware to open a new window instead of a new tab. At last, add the path to the VM you wish to open. Read here for more VMware command options.
Use Remote Desktop, MSTSC and Win7, and display each as a window. You may have to enable remote client access on your guest. Here is a good article from forcesysops.com.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.